Hi! In the previous video, we connected our areas, important for planning. Now I'll show you how to set the shift schedule. You set the shift schedule per production area, for example, here on rim forming. In the middle, you'll find the Shift Schedule and Planning Steps section. Expand it, and you get the little panel where you set everything. Here you pick the shift pattern. If none fits yours, the custom option lets you define your own. Mine in this demo is 3 shifts, 5 days. I set that, and it creates the 3 shifts. The shift offset shows how many shifts this production area runs ahead of the next connected production area. Looking back at the pipeline map, here it ignores the buffers. Only production areas count. So if I give rim forming a 1-shift offset, it'll run 1 shift ahead of the wheel assembly area. Here you set how aggressively it optimizes the scheduling at the machines. I usually leave it at 100% for full optimization. You can also set the breaks and planned stops under Add Planned Stops. From these, the system works out an open time, and it plans within that open time, taking the cycle times into account. You can, and should, set this shift configuration for every production area. It's per area on purpose, because within one plant, different areas can run different shift schedules, so you can tailor them fully. Thanks for watching. Next time we'll continue by adding the machines.